Presentation on Commercial Crime Insuring Agreement by Kaveshri, MCOM Final, MPM Government First Grade College, Karkala. Meaning: the crime insurance policy is designed to meet the needs of organizations other than financial institutions like banks. A commercial crime policy includes several different types of crime coverage, like the employee dishonesty coverage, forgery or alteration coverage, computer fraud coverage, funds transfer fraud coverage, kidnap, ransom or extortion coverage, money and securities coverage, and even money orders and counterfeit money coverage. A commercial crime insurance is a policy which offers comprehensive cover and provides protection against employees' theft and any losses from forgery, computer fraud, etc. In the event of any commercial crime, it becomes the duty of the insurance company to safeguard the policyholders against various losses or damages. The crime policy provides coverage for the following. Here are the coverage which are available with a commercial crime insurance policy. First, employee theft. Loss of money, securities, and other property caused by theft or forgery by an employee. Employee theft cover includes losses of securities, money, or other property by theft or forgery by the employee of the company. Next, premises cover. Loss sustained due to the destructions, disappearance, or abstractions of money and securities within or from the insured's premises by another third parties. It includes losses from destruction, wrongful abstraction, theft of securities or money from the policyholder's premises by third parties. In transit cover, loss sustained due to the destructions, disappearance, or abstractions of money and securities outside the insured's premises by a third party while being conveyed by the insured or any authorized person. It comprises of losses from the disappearance, destructions of money or securities outside the policyholder's premise by a third party. Forgery cover. Loss resulting from the instruments which have been fraudulently drawn upon the company's accounts by a third party. It includes losses or damages which arises due to losses from the instruments like checks which are fraudulently drawn by a third party on account of the policyholder. Computer fraud cover. Loss resulting from the unlawful taking or fraudulently induced transfer of money, securities, or property through the use by a third party of a computer network and facilities either owned and operated or leased and operated by an insured. It comprises of losses which a policyholder has to endure due to computer fraud made by third party along with the expenses which the policyholder has to incur due to a violation of computer. Funds transfer fraud cover. Loss sustained by an insured resulting from fraudulent instructions issued to a financial institutions by a third party directing them to transfer or pay or deliver money or securities from the insured's bank account without the insured's knowledge and consent. Funds transfer fraud means the theft of the insured's funds from an account maintained by the insured at the financial institution. Next, counterfeit currency fraud cover. Loss sustained by the insured, where the insured accepts in good faith and in the ordinary course of business either counterfeit currency or a postal or money order supposedly issued by the post office but not paid upon presentation. Next, credit card fraud cover. Loss sustained by an insured resulting from the forgery or alteration of any written instruction by a third party required in connection with any credit card issued to an insured to any employee or partner of an insured, that is a partnership. Next, client cover. Loss sustained by a client resulting from theft, fraud, or dishonesty by an employee not in collusion with the client's directors or employees. Expenses cover covers that investigative costs and computer violation expenses incurred in establishing the existence and amount of any direct loss in excess of the deductible. Here, direct loss refers to damage immediately inflicted by a disaster, accident, or other event. Thank you.